Young leaders at the School of Innovation and Technology today sharpen their skills at a leadership workshop. The Next Gen Pioneers Leadership Workshop taught student council members and prefects about communication, time management, conflict resolution, and leadership. Organizers say these skills will help them in school and as future community leaders.
The workshop this morning is a youth leadership workshop geared at enabling the leaders at the school, for example, the student council and prefects, to get better leadership qualities with the workshop. Some of the areas we'll be looking into will be effective communication, leadership, time management, and conflict resolution. The workshop today will aid the students in a very special way beyond school grounds. It will go into the community because those students are the future of tomorrow, as said, and we look forward to the workshop being a very pleasant one. We had an interaction with the students. Beforehand, we had two interactions with the principals to know the level the students are at and to know the students that we are facilitating. The interaction we had with the students was a very welcoming and forthcoming one. They were very open to discussion, and I think my colleague, the youth worker for Deriso, and I have a good shot at assisting the youth at the Institute of Innovation and Technology, cultivate. I think it will brand them in a way. It will give them the exposure they need to lead, especially the conflict resolution and the crimes we face today. They will have a better understanding how to deal with issues.
Youth development worker Alarica Antoine noted the workshop's importance at the close of Youth Month.
Today we're hosting a leadership workshop. It's called the Next Gen Pioneers Leadership Workshop for the student council leaders and prefects at the School of Innovation and Technology here in Alger. It would be focused on providing students with capacity building as we conclude the Youth Month in April. It's aimed at providing students with time management skills, conflict resolution skills, effective communication skills, and leadership skills. We would like to thank our sponsors, including Ministry of Development and Sports, Mr. Carlos Mosheri, Green Supermarket located in Vieux-Fort, and we're looking forward to providing the students with skills so that they could put those skills into use in the communities as they become student leaders.
School officials emphasized the Institute's goal for producing capable leaders for various industries and society. They are excited about the workshop's role in preparing students to contribute to national progress.
This workshop is very important, particularly this speaks to integrating youth meaningfully in decision-making and development. As a TVET institute, we are training young men and women to become employable upon their exit from our institution. Therefore, they need the skills that would allow them to be well poised in their various fields as leaders within their own entrepreneurial enterprises, as well as leaders in society at large. So here at the School of Innovation and Technology, we are very delighted to have this workshop being implemented for our student leaders because it speaks to preparing them to contribute meaningfully to our development as a nation and decision-making processes here in St. Lucia and the global village.
Officials expressed gratitude to the sponsors, including the Ministry of Youth Development and Sports, as well as a retail grocery store chain which supported the event. Joachim Duplessis, HTS News Force.